how to renew NHIS card using mobile money. This is a step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so all that you have to do is to just dial *929# and then press on the call sign. Okay, the exact code, this one, *29# and then make sure that all that you have to do is just press on the call sign, and then over here you are going to see that welcome to the National Health Insurance Scheme. But first, what you have to do is that you have to check the policy validity, okay, which is option 1. Let's check if we are active or inactive. Okay, so what you have to do is just put in 1 and then press on the send. Okay, so let's do it. After that, all that you have to do is that you have to select the card that you are going to use, either the Ghana card or the NHIS card. So since we are using NHIS card, just select the option 1. Okay, so just press option 1, which is 1, and then come here and then press on the send. After that, all that you have to do is that you have to enter the number on your NHIS membership card. Okay, so this is the NHIS membership card, and as you can see, we have the membership number here. Just come here and then type it right here. Okay, you have to make sure that it is the exact correct number. Okay, so let me put it here, and then when I'm done, all that you have to do is just come here and then press on the send. Okay, then all that you have to do is that you have to re-enter the membership number again. Okay, so when you look here, it says I have to re-enter it. Okay, so I'm going to re-enter it and then press on the send. Okay, after that, all that I have to do now is that I have to check the status. As you can see, the status is inactive and it ended on the 24th of October 2023. Okay, so I can now renew it. Okay, so all I have to do is just press on the OK, and then all that I have to do is to simply dial the code, which is *929#. Okay, and then dial it. Then all that you have to do is just come and then select the option 2, which is renew membership. Okay, just come and then press the 2 and then send it. So over here, what you have to do is to just select the card, which is the NHIS card, which is the option 1. Just select option 1. Okay, and then come here and then press on the send. So after that, all that I have to do is to just enter the membership number. Okay, just come here and then enter the membership number and then press on the send. After that, what I have to do is to re-enter the number again. Okay, make sure that you put in the correct number and then come here and then press on the send again. Okay, so the next thing that I have to do is that I have to make a payment. Okay, so when you look here where we have the amount, you will see the exact amount of money that you have to pay. So I have to pay 23 cedis now. Okay, so to make the payment, I have to make sure that I have the exact money in my mobile wallet. Okay, so just come here and then select the option 1. Okay, just select option 1 and then come and press on the send, and then over here all that I have to do is to just select the option 1 to proceed payment. Okay, make sure that you have the exact amount of money or more. If you don't have it, the prompt will not even show. Okay, so all that I have to do is to just put in the option 1 and then come and press on the send, and as you can see, they have sent a confirmation for me to confirm payment. Okay, so all I have to do is just wait for it, and here is it. So as you can see, I have to authorize payment of 23 Ghana cedis. Okay, so yes, what I have to do is to put in your PIN code. Okay, after that, just come here, and all I have to do is to just select the option 1 to approve payment. Okay, so option 1 and then press on the send, and then as you can see, payment of 23 Ghana cedis has been made successfully. Okay, so I have successfully made a payment and now I have renewed the NHIS membership card. But let's see if we have any message. Yes, so this is the message indicating that we have successfully made a payment. Okay, so when you receive the payment, what you have to do now is that you have to go and then check the status. Okay, so simply dial the code again and then just go to check policy validity, which is option 1. Just select it and then come and select the NHIS membership card. Okay, which is the option 1 again. Just select it, and then all that you have to do is to simply put in the card number. Okay, the membership card number, and then come and press on the send. Okay, and then all I have to do again is to re-enter the card number. So let's re-enter it here, and then all that you have to do is to just come down here again and then press on the send. Okay, and then now you will see the whole details of your registration. So as you can see, we have registered, and then it is starting on the 25th of March 2024 and then ending on the 24th of March 2025, right? It is very successful. And as you can see, we did not register it before the ending date, and that is why we are having 1 month awaiting period. Okay, so thank you for watching. Like the video, and then see you in my next video.